Hey everyone, welcome back to one of our 1/72nd scale armor reviews, and we've got one here from Modelcollect. Yes it is, and we've got ourselves a Russian Army T-80UB main battle tank from 1998. As you can see there, it is very nice inside the box. It's the usual kind of box, nothing too exciting. Let's get this open so we can get it in our hands and have a little look. All right, come on. Here we come. That's the way. So it does come in the usual acrylic case that most 1/72nd scale armour and vehicles come in. Nice and neat and nice and clear. It does pull off reasonably well. There is a little bit of plastic inside there to hold that gun barrel in a good position, I suppose, during transport. It is held on by a couple of screws underneath there, so if you do want to take it off the base, you'll have to unscrew those, of course. But boy, this is another fine looking model here. Now, there is no elevation in the main armour, but the turret does seem to move nicely. There is a lot of great detail. Let's zoom straight in and quickly have a little look at some of that detail on there. Wow, that is pretty damn cool. It's got some nice deck detail there. I think that might be a rangefinder or something on the back there. It's got some great gun detail and hatch detail. So, man, this is really nice. The smoke launchers on there as well. The three-tone camouflage looks absolutely brilliant. No, very, very nice. The turret moves really nicely, so that is a cool thing. Let's see what we have inside, if we can manage to get that off. There is not too much inside from what I can see. That might be a little bit of a metal piece underneath there, or maybe it's the chassis, the bottom half of the hull, I think maybe die-cast. So, but the turret, that definitely feels very plasticky. It is very light. The actual hull, I think, actually no, I think that might be, could be die-cast. Just trying to feel for a bit of coldness. It feels sort of cold on the side, so generally if it does feel sort of cold, you generally hope that it's die cast. But look, you do get a lot of these that are plastic, that have weights thrown in them, and to give you that illusion of die cast. But it does look absolutely brilliant. How cool is that? Those tracks look absolutely killer as well. There's a lot of great detail. Definitely really like. I really do like that. It does look and present really well. We'll move that crap out of the way. But no, definitely another cool one from Modelcollect. They do make beautiful 1/72nd scale pre-made models. They do have a range of models as well if you want to build them yourself. So that is always up to you. All right, we'll wind up the video as per usual. You would have seen the photos of this at the start, of course. Feel free to check it out on the turntable, or just jog off to another video. All right, everyone. Once again, smash that subscribe button if you're watching and you haven't. Some of those my way. If you did find this video helpful in some sort of way, drop a comment, of course, if you've got something to say. All right, thanks for watching, and you all have an awesome sauce rest of your day. Cheers, everyone.